Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show how to add screen record on iPhone. So, let's start. Here, I will swipe down the control center at the top right corner of my iPhone screen. And you can see the control center of my device. You can see the screen recording icon is not available there. So, I have to add it from the Settings app. So, let's watch what to do. Launch the Settings app on your iPhone. Then, scroll down and hit the Control Center. The included controls don't have screen recording options added over here. So, we have to add that. Go to the More Controls, and find the screen recording option. Now, tap the green plus button beside the screen recording to add it to the included control or on your control center. You can see here the screen recording option added to the included controls. Once you complete the steps, open the control center to check whether the screen recording button is available. So, swipe down the top right corner of your iPhone screen. On older iPhone models, you have to swipe up from the bottom side. The screen recording button is now added to iPhone's control center. In this way, you can add a screen recording button on your iPhone. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel for the latest tips and tricks videos.